the village of the blue eye to the landscape of concrete, from the grapevines on the hillside to the base under the street. I pretend to be unbound, getting lost but always found on the fine line between yours and mine. I spend my lifetime on a road, yeah, the road without a sign. I've been a rebel, serving manners as a slave. I've been dining with the devil, but love is what I gave. The patience I have paid, I survived because I stayed on the fine line between yours and mine. I spend my lifetime on a road, yeah, the road without a sign. On the stages, I keep following the script, while all the places turn to cages. Confessions I have skipped. Please tell me I'll arrive if I ever stop the drive on the fine line between yours and mine. I spend my lifetime